How to download apps on Microsoft Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download any app on Microsoft Store easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Store. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple, just search for any app you want from here, or you can just choose from here. For example, I'm gonna download Spotify. Now all what you have to do here is click on get and wait a few seconds and everything is gonna be done for you. As you can see, it started downloading, and if you want to stop the download, click here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and see you in the next educational tutorial.